Hello everyone and welcome back to Queenvarieties channel. In today's episode I will share 2 gain weight smoothies for my skinny beautiful people. You're going to love how delicious and healthy this is, and we're making this without the usage of any blender. This recipe comes highly requested. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos with your friends and loved ones. Right, so into a pot I'm going to include 2 cups of water. I'll cover it up and bring it to boil. Okay, so once the liquid now is boiled, I'll open up the pot and include oats. Type of oats you use is definitely up to you. I have the ingredients listed and written on the screen. A little bit of salt to boost out the flavor of the oats together with cinnamon, which is optional. Please use or skip if you don't want to. I have cooked the oats and it has thickened up. Into it I have included blueberries, strawberries together with 1 organic banana. I will also add 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. Feel free to use any nut butter of your own personal preference. You can also use seeds, something like flax seed as substitute. Half cup of whole milk. Feel free to use plant-based milk like almonds, coconut milk. You can also use soy milk. Just go for any milk that you prefer. Mix and beat everything until it has combined. You can see I have beaten them and they are well incorporated, and right now the mixture is perfectly cooked. Set it off heat. As simple as that, the recipe is completely ready. I'm going to serve inside this bowl you're seeing right there. Include a little bit of milk just to boost the flavor. I'm going to refresh it up with some of the blueberries, strawberry and bananas. Add a little bit of honey, just honey to your own taste. Even though the honey is optional, at the same time it helps to improve the calorie content of the meal. It is now ready. I will set it aside. You can see how beautiful and amazing it looks, guys. It tastes incredibly super delicious and yumnicious. Recipe number 2. I have placed a transparent glass on my surface. Into it I'll add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. We're using Greek yogurt because it's much more creamier and, will I say, healthier? The remaining quantity of the items that we cooked, I'm going to just add them right inside here. If you don't have Greek yogurt, please feel free to use any other plain yogurt or yogurt of your choice. Just go for it. I have added 1/3 cup of milk with honey, and here introducing my Forever Ultra chocolate shake mix. This is perfect for kids and also it's also good for adults. Okay, so if you want to gain weight, you can try this out. I'll be leaving a link in my description section. Substitute that with any protein powder. Yes, you can use protein powder or cocoa powder. Okay, I added 1.5 teaspoons of that. We are going to shake and mix everything to combine appropriately. Remember, we're not using any blender for this recipe. And that's it, guys. You can see how beautiful it turned out. So nutritious and so elegant. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. And so if you want to enjoy this, you're going to take it once every day. Okay, you can add it for your breakfast or you can have it before you go to sleep. Yes, just before you go to sleep, drink it every day before you go to sleep. You can also drink it 2 times daily. It's up to you how you can prepare it and then enjoy it, but make sure you have it once you have finished eating. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and remember, variety is the spice of life. Bye for now.